Water is deceiving. We don't need to worry about it, right? Most of the time, it just seems to be falling from the sky endlessly. But did you know that if all of the Earth's water would fit into a 4-liter jar, only 1 tablespoon of that would be available for us to use? At the same time, all of our lives depend on healthy rivers, lakes, and wetlands in some way or another. The bad news is that we have already lost 2/3 of the world's wetlands by building almost 40,000 large dams to fulfill our demands for energy, food, and water. Now, when you think about floods, you probably think about disaster and destruction, but to wetlands, floods are the lifeblood that help countless species of birds, fish, and plants to thrive. While I'm talking, investors are targeting some of the world's last great hotspots of biodiversity, such as the Amazon and the Congo River, with massive hydropower dams, and I'm not okay with this. A global problem requires a global solution, so what we need are new ways for quantifying water resources across entire continents and ensure there is enough water for both humans and a healthy environment. The great news is that advances in satellite technology nowadays allow us to do exactly this. In my research, I'm using multiple 26-year-long time series of satellite data to model floods and their role in the water cycle across Australia's most important river system, the Murray-Darling Basin. Now, this river system is about twice the size of France, but thousands of images from this satellite allowed us to map its water every 16 days for the last 3 decades. I then combined this time series with climate and river flow data, and what we get are simple, yet incredibly useful models that can predict the distribution of flooding across the entire system. These models are applicable anywhere in the world and provide cost-effective tools for managing the water resources of entire continents more sustainably. The Australian government is currently investing more than $10 billion in making more water available from agriculture in the basin and delivering it to wetlands through controlled floods. Now, my models will ensure that this money is well spent by predicting when, where, and under which climate conditions these artificial floods provide the biggest benefits for the environment. The global freshwater crisis is happening right now, but I believe that Earth observation, combined with cutting-edge science, is the key to solving the freshwater problems of the future. Thank you.